at my banana tree. I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, and another one about to bloom too. I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4. That's the big one, that's the mother. I'm gonna show you. I am going to show you to take this banana tree, put another in the big plant outside because it's make homey. And I love it. This is give me company and give me healthy look, healthy feeling in my eyesight. And I'm get busy with my plant, guys. I'm gonna go ahead show you how to plant this. Take out this banana, put another pot, okay? Okay, what I do, I put this is suber right here. I just go cut right to the half, divide by right here. See that? I'm take it out. Take time because you don't want to kill banana, so I'm gonna go ahead very gentle to doing this. Okay, guys. Okay, finally I put this on, just cut off bit by bit. Here, I got it. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. This is, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna go ahead. I am gonna go ahead put it outside, plant, make the nice homey, you know, Asian culture. We love banana, so I'm gonna go ahead put it outside. Let's go outside. Here, guys, this is my pot. I'm gonna go ahead and let the junk here out of here, clean up all the junk. You know this part right here. Do you guys know dandelion right here? Dandelion. I eat the leaf. The leaf is medicine. So I just let them grow. And I'm gonna go ahead. This is the mint. I put the mint. See, they grow back every time springtime. I'm gonna go ahead digging this hole, this right here. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead digging right here. Yeah, keep make the hole. It just fit in this root right here. This is gonna be beautiful, you know, the warm mix. That's why, you know, COVID-19, you find something to do. But for me, I love plants. So I just go ahead, stay with my plant, keep me busy. You know, summertime like this, oh man, I'm telling you, it's just like, I love it. That's why I stay home. I'm happy now. Right here, getting down. Okay, going down. Okay, just like that, going down. And I'm gonna go ahead, fill up the dirt there and let them be a beautiful plant coming out. You know, you might get lucky this year. Might give me a banana, who knows, right? So I'm go ahead, just put in here. See that, how beautiful look, guys? You see that, how beautiful look? Wow, this is beautiful. See that? And because this part, big part like this, you can benefit. You plant the mint, big part like that, and mint they grow. And this is beautiful. Another herb too. And let them be. And dandelion, let them be on the side because every time I want the leaf, I always pick up and eat the leaf. So right here, all the junk right here, just clean up, make it beautiful. That's why make me busy with COVID-19, guys. I love my plants so much and keep me busy, and I love it. That's why I'm just keep doing what I do right here. Thank you for let me stay home. Nothing gonna bother me as long as you eat good food. This is good food for me, okay, guys? Good vegetable. The dandelion is a medicine. They cure a lot of problems. I heard. If you want to know, Google dandelion. Even the Asian market, they sell too. Right now they sell. And here, banana on the pot, guys. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, give them the water. Keep the water beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, go get the water. Set up in here, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, fill up the water. Go put my banana tree because I just plant them and keep them a good water. Okay, the water's done. Let's go outside, guys. Okay, here by banana, they need the water when you plant them. like this, you just go ahead and give them a good water, and then so they can stay and happy and enjoy the water. You know, everybody needs food, right? Even banana needs the food. That means they need to drink too. So they love water. They love water. Just go ahead, you know, enjoy yourself when you stay home. A coronavirus like this, don't just stay, do nothing. Do exercise, you know, garden exercise, just like I do right here. And I will show you after a week, 2 weeks later. This is beautiful, guys. Look at this. And what else can be better than what I'm just doing right now? I'm happy about that, so I'm gonna go ahead. I wanna be like nice and stand evenly, and I'm gonna go ahead, fix it a little bit. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish all the water I have right here. Just make them happy, and they will grow beautiful and make your house like homey. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. I have 2 or 3 of them. The baby come out, and I'm waiting for this time. Just waiting for the springtime coming up so I can put down on my big pot right here. I'm gonna put on the ground, but I don't want to do that. I just go ahead and do it like this. Make it beautiful, you know. Alright, guys. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, because this is keep yourself busy for tough time like what we have right now. Okay. Alright, guys. I see you later. Bye, everyone.